Hello traders. Today we are taking a close look at the Pyramid EA MT5. This one's from the MQ5 marketplace, sold for 125 US dollars, and the developer calls it a smart pyramiding system with trend filtering. Honestly, grid style bots always catch my attention because they promise steady profits, but they come with real risks. So let's break it down step by step. But before we get to that, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Alright, so first, let's go through what the developer says on the sales page and the Forex Geek review. Alright, so they describe it as a sophisticated expert advisor that uses two custom indicators, SM zig-zag for generating reversal signals and SM trend cloud for filtering the aggression of the trade. You can see the two indicators here. Right. So the core idea is pyramiding. When the zigzag signals you downtrend with a red line, the EA starts opening buy orders, basically counter trend entries. It then adds more positions at set step distances with lot sizes that can multiply based on coefficients. This builds a basket until the zigzag flips to an uptrend blue line, at which point it switches to selling. There's a reverse mode option that flips the whole logic. Alright, the trend cloud plays a big role as a moderator. In a green cloud uptrend, it allows full lots and step multiplication for more aggressive pyramiding on buys. In orange, it sticks to base values to be more cautious. You can disable it if you want. They emphasize risk management tools like stop losses and take profits in points, money, or percentage of deposits. There are virtual stops, trailing stops, and something called drawdown insurance that tries to balance baskets rather, or limits losses. It can even work as a semi-manual tool if you disable auto buy or sell. Alright, so overall, the developer positions this as a flexible, adaptive grid system that's not pure martingale, but uses smart pyramiding with trend awareness to capture reversals while managing exposure. So they show nice looking backtests with controlled drawdowns and positive results on their signals. Right, so we can see how it appears on the charts from the developers' use of the EA. So basically, for the features, okay, so we have main settings. The developer highlights a lot of customizations, and you get fixed or dynamic lot sizing, adjustable step distance with multipliers, and full control over the cloud filter. There are basket level exits, insurance thresholds, and trailing stops. Alright, so the sales material actually stresses that this isn't reckless averaging. The cloud and insurance features supposedly keep things in check. Is marketed as suitable for both hands-off trading and more active management. But is this really the case? Let's now put it through some back tests and see if it actually holds up as well as the developer markets it to. So the back test, I'm running the back test on the XAU gold pair on the 15-minute time frame for a custom period of 1 year, ranging from the 1st of April 2025 to the 1st of April 2026. Alright, so for an initial deposit of $10,000, we actually see a net profit of about negative 9,957 on a 10k initial deposit. Profit factor sits at 0.65, meaning losses significantly outweigh wins overall. Alright. Gross profits around 18k, but gross loss over 28k. The real killer is the drawdown absolute, maximal, and relative all hitting around 99.7%. That's basically a near total wipeout. Looking at the equity curve, alright, so as you can see, it starts with some ups and downs, then grinds lower with choppy attempts at recovery. The deposit load bars show heavy basket accumulation during adverse moves. Classic behavior where it keeps pyramiding into the losing direction, waiting for that zigzag flip. From the settings visible in the test, the key inputs that actually matter: lot calculations, step and lot coefficients, the cloud filter toggle, reverse orders option, and the insurance settings. Those control how aggressive the pyramiding gets. The thing is, this matches what I'd expect from a grid slash pyramiding reversal system. In raging markets, it can grind out small wins, but in stronger trends or chop without quick reversals, the drawdown explodes fast, just like we see here. Alright, so in practice, live trading has slippage, spreads, and news events that backtests don't fully capture. The insurance helps a bit, but it doesn't eliminate the risks of one bad sequence blowing through your account or profit limits. As for the nuances and hidden risks, this is averaging with pyramiding. Core fitting is a real concern. Settings tuned to past data may not hold. Broker dependency on spreads and execution is high. Expect prolonged drawdowns and the need to monitor closely. So, who is this for? Experienced traders who enjoy tinkering with grids, can handle big equity swings, and will test conservatively with low risks, white steps, and the cloud active. Prop traders okay with occasional deep drawdowns if rules allow might experiment. Who should avoid? Beginners, set and forget types, or anyone with low risk tolerance. If you hate watching roller coaster equity curves or trade during news without extra filters, skip it. Overall, the developer claims look solid on paper, but my test shows the real world vulnerability of this approach. Test thoroughly yourself. If you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more honest EA reviews, and let me know in the comments which EA I should test next. And don't forget to grab that free Forex robot from the description. It's a solid starting point with lots of built in patterns. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.